So this is probably one of the most shocking earnings season, and you absolutely cannot afford to miss one single opportunity. Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Coach JR from the Profit Flow Group, and today I'm going to bring an idea, and also my team is happy to share one more idea with you in this free trade idea that we look to publish every week. So first, let's start with a company that you didn't see coming. Let's take a look at Mattel, ticker MAT. All right, let's go to the charts. Let's go to TradingView. And I'm going to judge based on, at the beginning, technical analysis. This is bullish, following patterns that one of the greatest hedge fund managers, Paul Tudor Jones, uses. As soon as you see prices breaking above the 200 exponential moving average, then you want to pay attention and you want to position yourself in long. That means you want to be a buyer. At the same time, I'm not going to deny there's some evidence there's volume coming in. So any continuation in the direction of the trend, in this case bullish, then we do know there is someone supporting the trend. It's not a secret that this company did very well after the breakout. We have some time back in the second week of September of 2020 and absolutely crushed it more than 100%, and it paused, went sideways for mostly big portion of the last half of 2021 and now the second half. So this is telling us that as prices breathe and are ready to continue, we have an opportunity in our hands. So I'm going to be bullish. Now, when it comes to earnings season, it's always a flip of a coin. You still have some ideas, but we need to see exactly how the price will react to the news and the delivery of the company. So I'm going to give you two ideas on Mattel, ticker MAT. First, as usual, you do know I like to use code media to give some guidance. So the first idea will be the short term. Well, actually, this will be the long-term view. I'm going to take in the money call. Right now, the stock is trading at $20.05. It looks like pre-market's pretty much the same. Still, I'm going to take the in the money call so far for November 19. That's the monthly expiration. All right. That one is selling for $1. Pay no more than $1.20. The high of the contract was $1.40 of the premium. We have so far an open interest, 3,653 contracts, and that's just fine, right? You can work with that. Delta, I like the delta, 53 cents for every dollar, right? Without counting the gamma. So that means that every dollar Mattel goes up, you will add to the premium 53 cents. That's what I'm calling you to pay no more. Remember, no more than $1.20. Ideally, I will see to get it $1.05, $1.10. It all depends. And I will be looking at least if potentially make 200% on these monthly expiration for November 19. That will be the 20 call, pretty much in the money. Now, I also like to play the game. I also like to take some risk. So I'm going to take the weekly expiration. That it means for Friday. Remember, the earnings report is on October 21st. So you will not have a lot of time. Mind the risk. Don't allocate a lot of money. All right. So I'm looking for a weekly expiration, 25 call. And that 25 call, it's right now selling for 5 cents. Pay no more than 8 to 10 cents on this one. And we're looking for a grand slam. If everything goes well, if there's a big surprise, and if everything is aligned as I have it here, we may have a stellar performance, and why not between a 10 to a 15% move to the upside. A tremendous surprise with Mattel, ticker MAT. So these are the two ideas I have for you. We're looking at an open interest. We're looking at the fact that the company, so far from the technical perspective, as you can see on the charts on TradingView, following these 200 exponential moving average, it's absolutely bullish. So I'm lean to go with the buy in this one. Remember, take the risk, but also mind everything based on the size of your account and what you're willing to lose. It's not that we have a loser's mentality, but it's just this is the game of trading and investing. You need to be prepared, because if you're looking for that explosive 1,000% or even 8,000%, or why not even 220x in one single day, using SDF, my core research, statistical disruptive flow, then you need to be prepared to take some risk. All right. Now, the last one I want to share today in this free trade by the Profit Flow Group. It's one idea my team came up with. Thank you, Alan, for the support and sharing your knowledge. We have Fubo, Fubo. And this is Fubo TV. It's some sort of like Netflix, but mostly for sports. And last year with insiders, they went from $10 to $60. And that was a very good trade. Now went back and has been sideways, as you can see here. Now, same story. As you can tell right now, looking to open at $30.80. Yesterday closed at $29.91. And what I will say is this: we do have evidence of volume. This thing is looking for a breakout, continuation of a recovery that started back on May, second week of May of 2021. And that's our opportunity. My team, directed with Alan and the rest of the crew, they think we have an opportunity on the 32 call for next week. That as well is a weekly expiration. And I think there's something happening because yesterday we had a 4,100 contracts in the volume. This is just a little bit of the tips where tips indications, sort of like a little bit of breadcrumbs that you get to have an idea where is the money flowing. At the same time, open interest, pretty attractive, 2,100 contracts. So definitely there's something happening. Now, delta is 29 cents. That means for every dollar the stock goes up, you will have an additional 20 cents added to your premium. That is without counting the gamma. The gamma is 10 cents. To think about that, that will change, that would increase. But I'm just giving you a basic perspective. If we were to have an opportunity that this thing goes to 35 before next week, we'll not only be in the money, but we'll have a strong opportunity to double and triple our money. I'm going to take earnings whispers. Take a look at our colleagues, our earnings whispers. The free version gives you plenty information about the next release of the earnings report in Fubo. Let's take a look. Ticker FUBO, Fubo TV. And well, they are reporting on November 19th. However, if we have a good continuation energy, some stocks, they tend to trend higher. This is very typical of Disney, the Disney company. They tend to trend higher heading to earnings. And then when the earnings comes out, if they're not a blockbuster, when they just crash. So what we're taking here is the opportunity, the energy that the market is bullish. There's a strong recovery for the S&P 500 coming from lows. 4,270. That's very good so far. And the trend with all the energy that is coming also from BITO, B-I-T-O, supposedly to be ProShares new Bitcoin ETF, might be contagious. And that'd be positive. Also, we notice how American banking, investment banks like JP Morgan, Citibank, including Wells Fargo and Bank of America, they've been doing really well. And also the fact that they're releasing reserves of cash that they had during the great financial crisis. So there's a lot of positive news. In fact, there are challenges. We know that, supply chain challenges, the semis shortage continue, but still there are a lot of things to consider. And there's some rumors on the street. The game is just beginning. So whatever you're hearing out there, we're still in a bull market, and you definitely cannot let go this shocking earnings season because, hey, you have to maximize, you have to take advantage of it. And what a better way to do it than joining as well. I got to tell you, you have to join the Profit Flow group. Great ideas, opportunities. And it's a community that I'm building with my team, and we believe in the product. And more than believing in the product is the fact that you always have that component where you are learning and becoming a better trader and a better investor. So, as I said, and you know the deal, go to the description of this video. There's a link. Click on the link. Watch the broadcast. It's free. But after that, you will understand why I do what I do and how I do it. So, as usual, I like to give you a lot of good content, give you all the best. That's how I learned from the best people, the Whitney Tilson of the world, Rob Booker, Porter Stansbury, Catherine Wood, and even my former mentor from JP Morgan. So the idea is come to our channel, come to our blog to digest, to eat that information that will make you better. And I know that as soon as you're ready, you will be joining us on the other side. I thank you for watching. These ideas are great. I think you definitely like to subscribe. Smash the like button if you like it. If you don't like it, also let me know. I don't like it. Send me a message. Don't just put a thumbs down. No. Tell me what happened, what you didn't like, and I will look to be better. I want to be better. So you guys watch more of my content. And at the same time, we all make bank together. That's the most important. Hey guys, I gotta go when I put this video together. I thank you so much for watching and I wish you a profitable earning season. Ciao, ciao.